Oh, wala.
Hi there. My name is Divine Grace Rivero. First is we need to prepare all the fruit ingredients, which may include any fruit that you would like. But in our case, we have here some ripe mangoes, chopped apples, some bananas, and melon. And all we have to do is to mix all the ingredients in a Tupperware or bowl. And then mix the condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Then chill in the